If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to open the settings. Then you want to scroll down and then proceed to the apps option. In here, we're going to tap on the app lock. Now here we need to turn it on, of course. So first we need to choose the password type. Now you can choose, of course, the screen lock password, or you can use the privacy protection password. So in my case, I'm going to use the privacy protection password, and we're going to tap on the turn on. Now over here, tap on set up. Now we need to set up the privacy protection password. If you don't have it set up yet, you can also tap on other password in order to choose a different password type. Let's say I'm going to switch to pattern. I'm going to just set up a simple password. We need to provide it twice in order to confirm. You can also use your Xiaomi account to be able to reset the password in case you forget it. But I'm going to tap on and not. Now here we can also choose immediately apps that should be locked. You can also tap on the suggestions in order to turn it off. This is just suggestions. So we're going to tap on use app lock. And there we go. Now we have actually the full list of apps. And of course, we can just decide which ones should be locked. But before we do that, what you can also do is you can use the use your fingerprint option that appears here. And if it doesn't, you can tap on this setting in the upper right corner. And we have fingerprint unlock options. We're going to tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. We need to verify ourselves. And there we go. Now we can also use the fingerprint sensor. So now we can choose apps that should be locked. So let's say I'm going to lock YouTube in here. I'm going to also lock, let's say, Instagram. And there we go. Now if I try to open any of these apps, I can use my fingerprint in order to unlock them. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.